Thinking about buying Webira? Hold on for just a minute, because in this quick review, I'm going to show you what Webira really is, how it works, and whether it actually delivers those AI-built websites in 60 seconds like it claims. And if you do decide to grab it, I've got an exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle waiting for you. So Webira is an AI-powered website builder that creates complete, multi-page websites automatically. You just enter a few details, choose a niche, and Webira builds everything: the layout, the copy, the graphics, the icons, the branding, and even the mobile responsive design. It's built for beginners, freelancers, agencies, and anyone who wants websites without hiring designers or writers. Here are the most impressive things about Webira. First, AI creates entire websites automatically. You type your niche and project name, and Webira generates a fully designed website with content and graphics. No coding, no design skills needed. Second, built-in AI copywriting and branding. It writes your headlines, descriptions, service pages, about sections. Everything is handled. It even recommends color schemes and brand styles. Third, one-click customization. You can edit text, swap graphics, change layouts, or add pages with simple clicks. Very beginner-friendly. 4. Perfect for agencies. If you sell websites, this tool lets you deliver 10 to 20 sites a day and charge premium prices. This alone makes it worth it for freelancers. Now let's quickly cover the pros and cons. Pros: creates full websites extremely fast. No coding or design needed. Perfect for beginners. Agency-friendly, easy to sell. Very affordable compared to hiring designers. Cons: templates may require light editing. Best designs come from premium upgrades, OTO 1 and OTO 2. Not ideal for very complex custom websites. Overall, Webira delivers on its promise for 95% of users. And when you grab Webira through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, courses, and DIY resources designed to skyrocket your online business. This is the biggest and most valuable bonus package you'll find for Webira. If Webira sounds like the right tool for you, click the link in the description to get instant access. Don't forget, my $43,000 mega bonus bundle is only available for a limited time. Grab it now, lock in your bonuses, and start building beautiful websites today.